Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Let's start today's class. In this code we use GTTS, which stands for Google Text to Speech. It is a Python library that provides an interface to Google's Text to Speech API. With GTTS, you can convert text into spoken language, generating audio files in various formats such as MP3. Text_to_speech is a function defined in the provided Python code. It is responsible for converting input text into speech using the GTTS library and saving the synthesized speech as an audio file. In the line TTS equals GTTS, text lang equals N. GTTS is a class provided by the GTTS library. This class is responsible for generating speech from the provided text using Google's Text-to-Speech API.